Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge candy. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of butter. Also, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 7 ounces of marshmallow cream ready. A heavy-bottomed saucepan and a 9 by 13-inch baking pan are essential for success. Next, combine the sugar, milk, and butter in your large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until it comes to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes without stirring. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency, aiming for a temperature of 234 degrees Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes of boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add the 7 ounces of marshmallow cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, the key is to beat the mixture vigorously. Continue beating until the fudge thickens considerably and loses its glossy appearance, becoming dull. This process develops the creamy texture. Finally, pour the hot fudge mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Do not scrape the sides of the saucepan. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature, which can take several hours. Once it's fully set and firm, you can cut it into delicious 1-inch squares. Enjoy your homemade, creamy fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.